If the Bluetooth device cannot connect properly or it doesn't work properly on your Realme GT7T, here's what you can do in order to try to solve these issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, and you want to make sure that airplane mode is not enabled, because sometimes we can turn it on by accident, and of course this can be the reason why Bluetooth is not working. After that, what you can also do is turn off and turn on Bluetooth in order to refresh the Bluetooth feature, and sometimes this simple task helps with some issues. Now, another thing we can do is, of course, well, we can also turn off and turn back on our Bluetooth device. And what is also quite important is that you want to make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. Now, this might not be really the reason, especially if you have the pairing mode. If you can put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode. In my case, I can. So then what I can do is try to refresh the list and try to connect with the device again. Essentially, you can also go to the eye icon right next to your Bluetooth device in order to disconnect or actually unpair the device completely. And then you can try to turn off and turn back on the device and put it into the pairing mode. If you don't have the pairing mode available on your Bluetooth device, you might want to factory reset your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that. You have to find the user manual or another tutorial how to do this, because of course for every Bluetooth device there are different ways to factory reset or hard reset the device. But once you do that, you should be able to find your device on the list of available devices. If needed, refresh the list and try to connect. And there we go. In my case, of course, it worked. Let's see if there is anything in the more settings, but no, there is nothing really important. So if none of this helps, what you can also do is we can go back to the settings, scroll all the way down and open System and Update, go to Backup and Reset, and then Reset Phone. You should be able to find this option over here, Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. So you want to go over here and of course perform the reset. However, you have to keep in mind that this reset also performs a reset for Wi-Fi and mobile network settings, so you will have to, for example, reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks again after that reset. And once you do the reset, what you have to do is simply go back to the Bluetooth settings and you will have to reconnect to your devices. So you want to turn on your device, put it into the pairing mode if possible, and of course connect by selecting it from the list. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.